Hello guys, my name is Abhinav. I've just picked up an X-Pulse 200. I got this on Saturday. Today is Monday evening. I've already started making some changes to the motorcycle. I've put a rally style seat on the bike which comes as part of the Heroes rally kit. The rally kit will go on the motorcycle tomorrow. I've also put a small GUB phone holder on the motorcycle. This is my friend Yogesh's motorcycle. Yogesh is over here. He rides an Interceptor. So what he has done is he has SS Moto handlebar risers. He has an Art of Motorcycles handlebar, and he's got Timson tires on his bike. So the reason why I bought this motorcycle is because I like to ride on the trails, and you know, the KTM, it did not have the right amount of ground clearance and the suspension travel. A lot of people, they want, you know, they're a little wary of getting the rally suspension and the seat and everything. They think it's too tall. I am 5'10" and a half, and just with the rally seat I am flat footing the motorcycle. So in case, you know, somebody wants this, they can just get this if they don't want the suspension, etc. Man, this feels good. I like this tall seat. I can just sit on it and push the motorcycle. Even the suspension calibration isn't that bad. Brakes are not adequate. The KTM had sharper brakes. Just the rear one I'm talking about. I haven't tried the front so far. I mean, I've tried it on the road while riding on the trail here. Also, this is a brand new motorcycle, so I won't be going very, very fast. I just want to first learn. And that's what we'll do. To be very honest, you don't really need a rally kit on this motorcycle. You don't. If you're going to ride trails which are, you know, like the ones that I'm on right now, which don't require a lot of jumping around, a lot of ground clearance, like crazy amounts of ground clearance, you'd be fine. This motorcycle is very light. I'm used to oh, that's a Fox. Wow. तो बिल्कुल उड़ के चल रही है. तूने देखा मैं कितनी, मतलब I was at ease. Start करते ही I felt easy. I did not even feel the need to stand up because seat already इतनी ऊंची है. I feel high enough. Very nice, यार. Already impressed. Stock tires, I think they are Seat. I don't know what tires these are. They'll go off the bike. These are good tires so far. On the road, you know, no problem on the road. Zero problem on the road. Even here, I'm not really finding any problem with these tires. So what I used to do was, you know, the sun is right in front of us. With the KTM, I would, you know, avoid these ruts, these little undulations. With this, I am finding it to be a lot more confident to just put this bike in these ruts. Yeah, this is nice. And the flat seat, it really makes it easy to move around. So I can shift my hips back very easily. It's not so on a race seat where, you know, the Rider's seat is low. You have to get up and you have to move back. Not the most comfortable or the fastest way to shift your body weight around. On this bike it's very easy with a flat seat. So for most people, I think a set of handlebar risers, which will come tomorrow on my bike, and this rally seat will be plenty enough. You don't need more. I don't think a person needs more. I don't have a lot of rally, or I have zero rally experience, but I don't have a lot of trail experience. I've only started doing this some 3-4 months ago. In fact, couple of you who would have seen some of my videos, not that they're popular or anything, but if somebody's seen my videos, oh, that's a Neil guy. For anybody who's watching outside this country, this is an antelope which is sort of oh damn, it's kind of exclusive to this part of Asia, and they've run away. A lot of people think that it's called a Neil guy, so it's probably belongs to the cow family, but it doesn't. It's an antelope. Okay, let's follow Yogesh now. Guys, my friend Yogesh over here, he's a very good rider. I mean, rider, in the touring sort of context. Yogesh has ridden Ladakh 7 times. He also started riding off-road very recently along with me. And he can really shred. And he still has ABS engaged. I think the X-Pulse is only, and see, he'll be limited by the suspension travel and the geometry of his motorcycle. I would not be. So do you see, he has to considerably slow down. If I want, I can just flat out ride it. Also the lack of weight here, so his motorcycle makes a lot more power, more than twice the power that my motorcycle makes. I think the X-Pulse makes about 18 odd horsepower at the crank, which will be what? It's a 14-15 rear wheel horsepower motorcycle. That one is a fast bike compared to this one, but here the suspension of the X-Pulse and the bigger wheel, oh, we'll have to slow down, and the ground clearance, the lack of weight, that's the equalizer over here. So if I want, I can take him, but that's not why we are riding, no? We're out here to enjoy and just, get a feel of the motorcycle. I've just ridden this motorcycle 140 kilometers now. I got it here to the trail yesterday, but I was with 4-5 other guys, and then I did not even end up riding it. My friend, he came on his Tiger and he was on the dirt for the first time, so he was nervous. So I ended up riding his Tiger, and he rode the X-Pulse, and he only had good things to say about the X-Pulse. In fact, his Tiger, it's an XR. It's the road going model with the alloy wheels, but what he's done is he has changed the suspension of the motorcycle to one from the XEX, the WP suspension that you get on the off-road model. Longer travel, adjustable suspension, beautiful motorcycle, beautiful to ride. Man, Yogesh is really hustling it. So I need to get the first service done as well. Oh, hairy moment. So this is what I'm not very good at, that is to follow somebody's line. If I have nobody in front of me, I'm a faster rider. Finally he stands up and rides. He never stands up to ride. He never stands up to ride. I've told him so many times that, at least on technical sections, just stand up and you'd be faster. He usually never does that, but today he is, because I think he's just trying to go fast. Usually on the KTM, I would be standing most of the time over here. Okay, I would be, and I would fatigue myself out. But with this rally seat, it's tall. I mean, it's not that tall, but it's still tall. Tall enough that I can just go through this section relatively fast. And just, I'm seated, I'm sitting down. And then when I have to just transfer my weight back, it's easy, man. You don't need expensive motorcycles to go fast. You don't need a lot of technology to go fast. Just sorted dynamics. Man, I'm loving the X-Pulse. I think it's a good idea to sell the KTM and get the X-Pulse. Now a lot wonder why I did that, why I sold the KTM. Guys, and even though, you know, you'd say that I was the one who used to praise the KTM a lot. Guys, the KTM is a brilliant motorcycle, one of the best to ever sell in the country, the 390 Adventure. However, I just want to do trails, and this is a better trail motorcycle. Let's speak to Yogesh. क्या हो गया?
मजा आ गया भाई
आज तो तू खड़े होके भी चला रहा है।
पता नहीं, नेचुरल आया।
नेचुरल आया, पर तेज चली ना आज, अच्छी स्पीड और मोमेंटम मेंटेन किया।
आज मैं ना बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट नहीं हो रहा।
हाँ,
थोड़ा सा बेंड और व्यू देख रहा हूँ।
हाँ, idea is to feel comfortable on the bike no matter how you do it. There is no right way, there is no wrong way. Whatever that makes you comfortable and makes you feel natural, वही सही रास्ता है, वही सही वे है।
सही होल्ड आ रहा है, मतलब मैं ना खड़े होके भी ब्रेक मार पा रहा हूँ उससे।
हाँ,
समझ रहे हो तू?
आई थिंक अगर तू इसमें ना थोड़ा सा वो सेरेटेड फुट पैक जो थोड़ा सा ब्रॉड होगा, वाइड होगा, वो लगाएगा तो यू विल प्रोबेबली फील अ बिट मोर कंफर्टेबल, यू विल बी मोर प्लांटेड।
और एक और चीज है, पता है
क्या?
आज मेरे टायर्स में ना हवा कम है, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ग्रिप बेटर है। पता नहीं, ऑब्वियसली तो मुझे ना वो जो एक बीच में होता है ना कि स्लिप हो गया टायर, वो नहीं हो रहा।
तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। मेरे को तो यार ये KTM से बहुत अच्छी लग रही है
यार। वो कितना 220 है mm?
आई डोंट नो, होगा 200 220 200 होगा ये शायद, इसका फ्रंट ट्रैवल। इट्स गुड यार।
मेरा बैग उछल तो नहीं रहा?
नहीं, नथिंग, इट्स वेरी वेल प्लांटेड। आई एम वेरी सरप्राइज यार, इट्स फास्ट, इट इज वेरी फास्ट। अच्छा, इसमें ना रैली किट वगैरह की जरूरत नहीं है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ द बेंच सीट हो क्या रहा है, मैं नेचुरली पीछे बस आराम से स्लाइड हो जा रहा हूँ। जब मुझे ना वेट थोड़ा पीछे चाहिए, फ्रंट लाइट चाहिए, वेरी इजी है ना। बंद करके फीडबैक दे। हाँ,
देख, अभी मैं कुछ बोलूँगा ना तो मैं अभी नहीं बता सकता। उसका रीज़न यही है, अभी मैं 650 चला के आया हूँ, बट इसकी ब्रेकिंग अच्छी है, रेयर ब्रेकिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ,
और इसकी हैंडलिंग बहुत बढ़िया है।
वही तो मेन तो उसी का गेम है।
बढ़िया बाइक है ये। मुझे सस्पेंशन में मज़ा आ गया। ये छोटे मोटे पत्थर पता नहीं चलते,
नहीं पता चल रहे। मैं बड़े बड़े रट्स के बीच में से ला रहा था, जो जिन रट्स के लिए तू स्लो रहा था ना बीच में, मैं उनमें मैं सीधा ला सकता था।
बढ़िया यार, अमेजिंग बाइक है
ना। So guys, this is what I'm talking about. The exhaust in the BS6 version is routed from under the, you know, engine, and then it comes from here. The BS4 version, it routes from here, it comes from here, and there's a can over here. So I'll just put a KTM 390 can along with, you know, the BS4 routing. That's what I plan to do. This is going to go, we'll put a tail tidy over here. I have to order it. Handlebar risers will come tomorrow on the bike, and you know, I'll tell you more about what I plan to do with the motorcycle as and when we do it. Right now, let's just ride. So we'll ride our usual route. अच्छा, ये हाइट भी कंफर्टेबल है टू फ्लैट फुट।
इसमें सीट हाइट ज्यादा लगेगी, पर जब तू बैठेगा ना तो
हाँ, वो थोड़ा सा वो सीट भी थोड़ा सा सैग करती है, सस्पेंशन भी सैग करता है।
एक जो अच्छी चीज लगी इस सीट में ना, जनरली होता क्या है, तुम्हारी सीट ज्यादा सॉफ्ट होती है, तो उसकी वजह से तुम हार्ड फील करना लगता है।
हाँ,
इस जगह पे इन्होंने ज्यादा वो
हाँ, हाँ, The motorcycle costs 1.35 on road. The rally kit is about 38,000 rupees. So at about roughly 1.7 lakh rupees, you get a phenomenal package. A phenomenal package. Even if you don't get the entire rally kit, just get this rally seat for 2,000 rupees. What's going to happen is a lot of people who are not very tall and they still go ahead with the rally kit, they will not install this rally seat. They're going to sell this rally seat. So just get rally seat, just get risers, you are sorted. You don't even need different tires. And yes, it does run on CEAT tires. These tires are also good yaar for here. इसमें तो touring भी हो जाएगी. चल, let's go ahead. Okay, I'll ride the heavy ass Interceptor now.